Alright guys, doing a tire repair on this Tesla Plaid. Pretty sick car. Angle this. As you can see, the nail is right there. So it's not leaking too bad right now. Should be a pretty easy one. There we go. It's in there. Now there's an art to removing nails from tires. There we go. It's on there. It is on there. Oh, shrapnel. Big nail. Running out of water.
How's it going?
Good.
Was it big nail?
Big nail.
Let me see. Holy shit, man.
Yeah,
Look at that nail.
yeah, it's like a
Construction.
construction, yeah, ones you put in the wood.
God damn it, man. Oh, it's not leaking, right?
No.
Send me where to Venmo, okay?
Okay, I got you.
I had this almost whole year outside, man. Your step.
Oh yeah, I know.
You never come back.
I forgot, to be honest.
What are you doing with the camera over there?
It's like I put it on Instagram.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, so people
Tesla
find
repair?
Tesla repair. Yeah.
That's good. All right, thank you very much, huh?
Yeah, no problem.
I appreciate it. Be safe.
And that's that. Alright guys, didn't even have to take the wheel off. Everybody's happy. Alright, nail repair. Easy. 21. It's got a nasty little nail in it. right there. Tires in decent condition. That's it's really cold outside. Let's see. Boom. Put this back on. And then this is the secret sauce, rubber cement. Getting low on it. Okay. Let's go take it out. And it is flat. Let's put to 35. Awesome. Well, that's pretty much it. Let me show you guys. Definitely get this stuff. Had a spray bottle, but I know it's good. I've done so many of these, I just know. Got those brake pads away. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. Please like and subscribe if you enjoy. Catch you on the next one. Marcus out. Peace.